All right, so I'm making this video for the people that are utilizing AI in order to help them, maybe manipulate some color. And in this example here, we're going to assume that we don't know a whole lot about the code base, but we want to utilize ChatGPT. And what I'm going to do, ChatGPT needs to have some information. And I'm going to supply it the HTML. I'm going to supply it the CSS. And before I do that, I'm going to give it a prompt. And I'm going to tell it, hey, I want the background color of the hot. I want it to be purple. Okay. And I'm going to see if AI can help me do that. But I need to supply the source to it. So I'm going to go ahead and take all of the HTML that I currently have, and I'm going to come over here to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to type in the following. I'm going to say to ChatGPT, so I want the color of the hot background to be purple instead of red. Okay. So that's what I'm going to type in there, but I need to supply it with the current HTML and the current CSS. So I'm going to hit the enter key a couple times, and I'm just going to say, here is the HTML, and then I'm going to paste it on there, and then I'm going to hit the enter key, and then I'm going to say, here's the CSS. Okay. And then now I have to go back to CodePen, grab the CSS, and put it in ChatGPT. So now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and hit this arrow, and it's going to analyze everything. And it tells me that I just need to change the background from red to purple. Now, something that we want to make sure that we put in here is, hey, can you give me the full CSS? And let's see what happens. So here we go. It's coming around here for us. You have to wait till it's fully finished, and then it will go ahead and adjust that for us. So let's go ahead and copy the code. And then I'm going to come back over here to our challenge, or to this challenge that we're doing. And then we're going to go ahead and paste it. And hopefully it made it purple and it didn't change anything else. Okay. That is one way of going about it. You can see that it is now purple, and that's exactly what we wanted to do with it. And of course, we can always just keep on making changes, going back and forth with ChatGPT. But again, the other thing that we could have done on here, and I'm going to undo this, we could have, went with the original thing. It says the red background comes with this rule, badge, and then background red. And so it says all we have to do is change the background to purple. And so we can go find that on our page and see if it does work. Okay, so we can come back over here and let's look to see if we can find this period badge. And so that might be another way for you to work around this to make sure that you're only modifying just one thing. And so I'm going to see if it finds this badge. It did. And then it said the background is what I needed to change. And so now I'm coming here and I'm updating the background from red to purple. And you can see that it did change to purple. That would be another way of going about it, utilizing AI to help you out. Okay, so hopefully that is helpful.